Welcome back to MS Tech. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a very affordable gaming keyboard. Today we have the Redragon K509. Now this gaming keyboard claims to be silent. And so personally, myself, I love silent gaming keyboards because I love the aspect of having that feeling of a tactile keyboard while it being completely silent and not obnoxiously loud like blue switches. And so when I saw this on Amazon for only $25, I said, hey, might as well give it a shot. And so today we'll be taking a look at it and seeing if it's worth it or if you should stick to other keyboards. Let's get right into it. Now starting off with the unboxing, it was pretty much just the basics here. Inside the box, you get the keyboard and some papers. My first impressions of this keyboard was that, damn, it honestly looked very, very sleek. And because of that matte finish, it gives the keyboard a look where it looks more expensive than it actually is. Now on the topic of the keyboard, let's talk about the design. It's a 104 key layout, and the entire build of the keyboard is all plastic, meaning it's not very sturdy. As you can see, there is a bit of flex on the keyboard, but again, it's $25, so it's what you expect. If we flip the keyboard over, we find two rubber feet. Now this part confused me a little bit as to why there's only two rubber feet instead of four. I was scared that the keyboard's gonna slide around, and as you can see, it does have a bit of sliding around when moving the keyboard, but that part I really can't justify why Redragon did. You also have two flip-up feet, but again, on those two flip-up feet, there are no rubber feet as well. So your keyboard is going to be sliding around. Now moving on to the typing experience of this keyboard. This was the part where I was a bit surprised, honestly. Now yes, this keyboard is a membrane keyboard, but I was really surprised as to how silent the keys are. When you press them, there's almost no sound. It feels like you're almost typing on gummy bears, which I don't know how to explain it, but here's a sound test to give you a better idea of what it sounds like. Enjoy. On the sound side of things, this keyboard does very well, claiming to be a silent gaming keyboard, because there's almost no sound produced from typing. But on the tactile side of things, that's when it lacks. Obviously, it is a membrane keyboard. You're not going to have the same tactile feeling as a mechanical keyboard. Now, one thing that I wasn't a fan of on this keyboard at all was the RGBs. They were honestly lacking very, very hard. As you can see, there's only 5 different presets as to color effects that you can choose from, and those effects aren't even good at all. The RGBs really aren't bright and don't stand out whatsoever. You do have the option, however, to change the brightness of the RGBs and also the speed of the effect, which I guess it's good that they're adding a bit of customizability, but aside from that, RGB-wise, this keyboard is really lacking. Overall, I can say that this keyboard, honestly, for $25 isn't bad. Yes, there are drawbacks of it not having that good RGBs, as well as it being a membrane keyboard. But for $25, you're getting a very solid silent gaming keyboard. It's made out of plastic, not the best, but the plastic is pretty durable. And also another thing about this keyboard is that it is spill-proof, meaning just in case if you ever spill some water or your drink on the keyboard, you're going to be perfectly fine and you can keep typing away. Would I recommend this keyboard to people? Yes and no. If you're more of a gamer who likes the tactile feeling of mechanical switches, then I would say to stay away from this keyboard because you don't have any tactile feeling. But if you're just an entry-level gamer who wants just the look of the gaming keyboard while still having a silent gaming keyboard, then yes, this is honestly a really good entry, and compared to other silent keyboards that I've seen in the past, this one is probably the quietest from all other membrane keyboards that I've tried. Thanks for watching. If you stuck around till the end, a like and subscribe is greatly appreciated. It not only helps us, but also helps the channel grow. And if you want to buy this yourself, there's a link to that in the description below. With that being said, this has been MS Tech, and as always, stay classy.